Recording the sewer line at 3630 40th Avenue West in Magnolia. The date is December 2nd, 2021. Making this recording from the clean out in the basement of the home. Camera is focused right now on a broken, dislodged set of concrete pipe down right at the sidewalk. The sidewalk is also settling in this spot. It's pretty deep. We're talking 11, 12 feet deep right in here. But you can see the turn. And then when I try to go around the corner, my camera gets stuck on a lip. There's a little bit of water running right now. It's raining outside, and there are some storm drains tied into this. So we're going to pull back from this point and get a look at the line. That's 6-inch diameter concrete out there with that failed section. Pulling back. It would appear we're going from 4-inch to 6-inch diameter here, so there's about 8 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe before we reach that obstruction. I come back now through the 4-inch diameter section, 4-inch diameter concrete. There's going to be 2 branch arm connections as we come back. One that serves the downspouts along the side and back of the house. That's running right there. You see water coming in on the right side. That's 7 feet deep or so on property. And then there's a second one that services the driveway drain. Right there. And you see water coming out of that one as well. So that one services the driveway drain. The other one services the downspouts from the side of the home. Come through this last turn into a section of PVC. So there is some PVC right near the foundation, probably just outside. We do have a branch arm connection in that PVC as well. And this is all the cast iron running underneath the bottom of the house. Coming up out of the clean out there. That's the clean out we made this recording from. I'm going to end the video there.